Welcome back to our channel here at Libra Aesthetics and Wellness. I hope everyone's doing well. For today's video, we will be demonstrating our high frequency facial. This is a very special offering which can target many skin concerns. This produces an electric current in the skin using different gases such as neon or argon, and this can address skin concerns such as wrinkling. It's for anti-aging. It can do hair rejuvenation. It can do skin tightening. It can improve the pH. It can also heal acne and other lesions for the ozone that is produced. So if you want to see more, then keep on watching.
Welcome back to Libra Aesthetics and Wellness channel. Today I want to talk to you about our high frequency facials. We offer a variety of treatment options. We offer two different high frequency facials. One contains neon gas and the other contains argon gas. The way a high frequency facial works, the gas is trapped into these glass capsules that then attach to the electrical one. So when electricity hits the gas inside of the contained glass one, the gas gets excited and it illuminates a certain color. So the neon gas is good for anti-aging and skin rejuvenation. The argon gas is more for killing bacteria, so hormonal acne, teenage acne, any type of flare-ups that you might have. If you have any kind of off-balance pH in the skin, we can definitely help you to clear that bacterial flare faster than your body can normally do it. So today I want to show you a couple of the applicators that we have. Right now we have 6, so I'll kind of go over these briefly and then we'll take you to an actual client receiving the treatment. So for the skin rejuvenation, we have this applicator. It's shaped like a mushroom, so it's really good for the cheek area, jawline. It's really indicated for that. And then I can also use the extender piece here to really model the jawline if I'm giving a treatment. When it's attached to the applicator electrical one, you can hear the current in a very stable form. You can see it too. So when I touch it, you can see the voltage. So I turn it down. You can see it there. So that will be for the face, targeting the cheek, jawline area. It's really good for the forehead. That nice flat surface, it helps to create a non-friction application to the skin. Then we have the comb attachment. This is really a really good treatment if you have some hair thinning. This will hyperoxygenate the scalp. It promotes blood circulation and it also kills bacteria around the follicles that might be inhibiting the hair from growing. So with repeated treatments, you'll actually see new hair growth, and it's really a nice treatment we've added on to our hair regimen here at Libra Aesthetics and Wellness. So same thing. The next attachment we have in the skin rejuvenation treatments is for the neck. This one is tailored to smoothly treat the neck area, all angles. Same thing, there's different speeds and modes of electricity that we can use depending on what your treatment option is. Let's see it. You can see the color in that one really nicely. We'll see it better demonstrated on a client. And then we'll move on to our Argon applicators. So this one is our tongue tube. It looks like a tongue. It's shaped perfectly for targeting certain types of lesions. So we'll usually arc those lesions, and I'll show you what that looks like. If we're arcing lesions, we're targeting the frequency to hit those pores at a certain frequency and speed so that it will clear the bacterial cells and hyperoxygenate the skin. So this one illuminates a different color. You can kind of see it's kind of purple. And if we're arcing the skin, it will just be like that, specifically zapping the skin at the targeted areas to clear away the bacterial pores. You can see that purple there. So this bent tongue tube is also specific for targeting certain blemishes and acne spots. It's really designed to center the frequency and then emit a high voltage to that area to give you a therapeutic treatment to clear the bacteria at those targeted sites. So here I wanted to demonstrate how the high frequency one illuminates in a darkened room. That's the Argon one. And then we have the neon one, just a different color. Also, if we're doing a skin rejuvenation option, we put this gauze that's tailored for the face and neck. So it lays really nicely over the face. It's really light. Patients can breathe. And it also allows a neck coverage. So when we're doing this high frequency facial, the gauze helps to hyperoxygenate the face. It traps the oxygen in there. And it also prevents the patients from being arced if they're not necessarily needing the arcing treatment. So when the electrode wand goes onto the skin, there's this nice friendly barrier, and it's very thin, as you can see here, and very soft. So we'll definitely demonstrate that in the next video. So stay tuned. So here she needs a moderate treatment. It's always good for me to first give the energy to myself before put it on her skin. Getting started, ready? Doing okay? Same thing as before. I want to do it evenly. So now we'll do you can kind of see the energy in the tube. It's red. I don't know if I turn off the light if you can see the color better. You can see, I guess, so you can see the energy is passing through the tube in a very controlled manner. And if I was to give any treatments like arcing for hormonal acne, I would remove this gauze and then do arcing on each lesion. And what that does, it hyperoxygenates the skin, it promotes more blood circulation to that area, and it also kills bacteria. Like I said, she's here for skin rejuvenation treatment, so she doesn't need any arcing today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in Libra for this amazing facial that we just started. And now we're going to move on to the neck portion for skin rejuvenating treatment today. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Other side. Hi, welcome back. So here we have an example of a client that wants her arms done. Over time, she's complaining about loose skin in this area. Also, she's had a couple flares of inflammation. So I'm going to use this attachment that we used for the neck previously to do the arms. It's very straightforward, very quick, and with repeated treatments, you'll see more firming of the skin. These flares will go down. You can kind of see the neon treatment going to that targeted area, and we just give a nice sweeping motion here, and we'll do both arms today for this client. An example of a client that needs to be arced, a couple flares and inflammation spots. She's got about 3. So I'm just gonna target those areas, hyperoxygenate the skin, and it's gonna kill the bacteria faster than our body can actually clear it. It takes a couple seconds and it's painless. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put the energy first to myself, and then I'm going to target one area here. And you can actually see with the light off how that looks. And she's doing great. How you doing?
Wonderful.
Awesome.
It feels good.
Okay, good. And then I'll get that area. I'll put the energy to myself. And I'm just arcing this area here. And then one more spot right here at the chin, you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll just turn on the light again so you can kind of see that energy transfer. And you can see how it's going to that targeted spot. All right. Here we also have a client that's interested in this high frequency device for her hair. She's got some thinning in the front of the hairline. Sometimes that's caused for various reasons. This is one of the treatments we do at Libraaesthetics and Wellness. I'm going to target that energy so that it will bring blood supply to the follicles. It's going to hyperoxygenate the follicles, and it will also kill any bacteria that's in the follicles that might be inhibiting her from having new hair growth. So I wanted you to see this device. It's a multi-faceted tube. So the electricity has multiple places to go, but upon touching the patient's skin, the energy will transfer to that area. So you can kind of see where it's going once it hits the hairline. And I'm gonna just start here with her now. Right here. So I'm gonna hit the front area here, and it's just like combing your hair. It's very straightforward. With repeated sessions, you'll definitely see a difference. You'll see new formation of hair. You can actually feel some hair growth because you're stimulating those follicles, hyper oxygenating the scalp, and increasing blood supply.